where light is right. We have a vision to provide low-cost solar energy to all Americans and are developing new technology that will make solar installations both more affordable and environmentally friendly by using sustainably sourced U.S. recyclable materials. Because of the large carbon footprint involved in the manufacturing of dirty solar panels, it takes up to 4 years after installation to offset the CO2 emissions generated during their production. What's worse, some solar panels are even classified as hazardous waste, containing PFAS forever pollutants, and are not closed-loop recyclable. Moreover, solar panels and their installation hardware, weighing hundreds of times more than the solar cells, are often too heavy and too expensive for residential, commercial, and industrial roofs. That's why farmland is being used to obtain more PV acreage, igniting contentious land use battles across rural America. SolarLoop has combined scientific production and installation optimization into a new approach to overcome the weight and cost barriers to solar energy adoption. Employing ultralight production-optimized honeycomb core panels enables a huge reduction in raw material use, making them 100% closed-loop recyclable and PFAS-free. Through our scientific optimized research, our solar panels will be made in the USA in our U.S. Sunshine-powered factory from recycled plastics sourced entirely from industrial and municipal plastic waste. This significantly reduces the time to offset CO2 emissions from the manufacturing process from 4 years to just 4 months. Plus, our installation-optimized ultralight panels and hardware cost a fraction to ship and install when compared to conventional solar panels. Since SolarLoop's panels are fully closed-loop recyclable, we outfitted our factory with on-site recycling machinery. At the end of their useful life, SolarLoop's panels and hardware will be shipped back to our factory and disassembled into plastics and solar cells, returning them to raw material to produce new solar panels and hardware. More importantly, SolarLoop's solar panels and hardware will be far lighter than conventional panels, radically reducing balance of plant costs and making its installation on almost all roofs economical for Americans of all walks of life. SolarLoop, where light is right. Visit SolarLoop.com to learn more about our ultralight closed-loop recyclable solar solutions and how we plan on providing real-time environmental, social, and governance data to our customers and stakeholders.